What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and today we're hiking the Vortex. It's just out of St. George in southern Utah. It's only like a 1 mile hike each way, 2 miles round trip, and super cool, underrated spot. There was no one at the trail. One other group came after me, but should be a really cool spot. There's a little water in it too. You'll see when I get there, but looks pretty epic. Not a lot of crowds, not super well traveled, so I'm excited to go get some sick photos. I mean, this is what we're getting right meow, so that's pretty cool too. All right, I'll see you out there.